This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Of the electronic shutter, yeah.
If you want to take some unique images, get your butt off that sofa, okay, when it's snowing like this, and go out and take pictures, because you'll be surprised how unique your photos can look in bad weather, right? Whether it's raining, whether it's snowing. Look at this crazy blizzard going on right now, and I'm out here shooting, and I'm expecting to get some unique looking photos, because that's what usually happens when I go out in the snow.
All right, we're on location with Diana here, in the best mood ever. I'm shooting with the Nikon Z6 today, shooting in the snow. I've got some Westcott umbrellas here for flash, but they're dual purpose now. And so the first thing I'm gonna do when I'm looking for a good background, because I'm gonna obliterate it with this 105, is, like I say in all my videos, I focus on the ground in front of me or just something. I'm gonna defocus my lens, I'm gonna look around to see what looks good blurry. You're still gonna be able to see the snow, so you can shoot wide open. You're still gonna be able to see the snowflakes. Wow, this looks beautiful. I swear to God, and you look gorgeous. I'm not even kidding. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures of Diana here. Waist up, I'm gonna shoot horizontally just for YouTube, so you guys can see what I'm doing here. See, I got that branch by her head, and I wanna avoid having a big branch by her head. I feel like that's a distraction, so I'm gonna change up my composition a little bit to this side. 1, 2, 3. Good. Get a couple tighter shots here. Well, this is not easy, holding this setup with this super thin umbrella. There's no grip on it. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Beautiful, okay. Here we got a couple of nice little portraits. Let's move on. I was gonna go around you like this, but it's okay. Come on. I just hit her in the head with the camera. Sorry, babe. Sorry. So I'm gonna walk around here, defocus my lens a little bit, see what looks good. I think that looks okay. All right, so stand right next to that, right in front of that log. Looking off, yep, exactly what I'm looking for. All right, here we go. Wow, it looks so dreamy. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Again, 1, 2, 3. So the snow's not coming down as much anymore. You barely can see it now. Good, look at the camera with that same pose right there. 1, 2, 3. Now for this one, I'm gonna take one more shot, and now I'm gonna stop down just so we can get a little bit more texture in the background, because I feel like the background is too far. When the background is too far, there's no texture at all, and it doesn't look good, or it's too blurry. So what I'm gonna do is stop down to like F4. Yeah, we're gonna stop down to F4, and here we go. This is not easy to hold. Can you put it on my back? It's like a little personal umbrella.
Strange brain.
There we go. Well, you know what? It works, right? I'll balance it with my head.
Ladies and gentlemen, my husband.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let me go vertical for this one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And the umbrella's actually adding like a like a flare. So like a white foreground, so it's even more snowy. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Yeah, I swear to God, it looks literally like a white flare. Move around a little bit, have a little fun. Hey, there we go. I love when you smile. I love it. It looks so good. No, but it looks good right now. But it looks good now, so keep doing it. Good. All right, let's move on to the next one. So now the challenge is everything kind of looks the same, right? How do I get a different look? And I might have you sit. See that table? I'll clean out the snow for you.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get your image and shot because my ass is
Go ahead. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. I love it. These are fire. Fire is hell. Fire. Oh, that one. That is it. You keep it there. I'm gonna get a couple more. That is why I married you. Look at how beautiful you are. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Is it recording? Yeah. 1, 2. Good. Good. Oh, I love those. Couple more. Got it.
They look great. Let's keep working.
Okay. Cool. 3. Love it. Let's take a look. The image review. Ooh. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. So basically what I did was kind of like put her in the middle of all the branches. Oh, let me grab onto these branches. Oh. I got that in the recording. 1, 2. Ooh, that was kind of cute. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna back up just a little bit so I can get a full scarf in the shot. Good. Right there. And let's move on. Let's go in the middle there. You see all those sticks over there? Look, all those little sticks. That's like a mini, that's like for a winter wonderland for an elf, you know? But it looks nice. What? That's not what I'm saying.
Ow! Ow! Come over here. Come help me. Bring that umbrella and get these damn spiky ass things out of the way.
This umbrella will break. Oh.
Don't you see?
Oh yeah.
You can work that shit backfires.
It's gonna backfire on me if anything. Okay, here we go. Ready? Couple different looks here. Got the video. 1, 2. Well, now it looks like a snowstorm. Beautiful. And I'm gonna go vertical. Okay, so what I like here is that now that we're in an elevated position, the tree line is lower now because we're higher. And if I go down a little bit more, it's gonna look like we're like on some kind of like mountain. Well, not really, but it just lowers the tree line a little bit. It looks really nice. Couple different more, good. Oh, I love those. Yep, like, ooh, it's cold. If I shoot this way, there's gonna be just more trees above her. This is actually a better composition. Good. Good. Hit 1, 2, 3. Good. Oh my God, it's so dreamy. Got it. Overall, I'm happy with how the images came out, especially the ones up top and how 3D it looked. It looked amazing. And we chose this outfit mainly. I chose this outfit because I wanted the lighter.
The coat.
Well,
The coat.
that's pretty much.
The coat by itself would not have done
Well,
it.
I
It's
like the lighter.
everything.
Yeah, I like the lighter colors. She did a great job posing.
I like how he wants to take credit for everything. I made Diana. You should be married to yourself. Okay, so that's it for the video.
That is it.
We're done.
That is it.
We're done.
All right, so if you are interested in how I retouch the images in this video, a retouching course is down below. It's my personal retouching course where I show you how I edit my images from start to finish. Okay, so check that out. I want to send a quick shout out to my sponsor for this video, Squarespace. If you're looking for a website, blog, or an online store, make sure to check out Squarespace. I've been using it for a couple years. So easy to change your template, so easy to set up. Images look high quality on there, and I have an online store with them. Makes it so easy to manage. So check it out. Link will be down below. You get 10% off your first purchase, all right? See you later.